Barcelona is definitely perhaps one of the best places, not in Europe, but in the world to study at, because Barcelona is very cosmopolitan, but at the same time very traditional. Barcelona has people from all over the world and has become like a very international hub. And it's also well connected with the rest of the Mediterranean cities. Barcelona is a very dynamic place where you can find tradition along with innovation in every single corner. The fact that it's a bilingual city, since we speak both Catalan and Spanish, makes this multiculturalism something more essential and more into the DNA of the city and its inhabitants. An excellent example of what IAU does is all our field studies. Field studies are inspired by our philosophy and our motto, which is living by learning. Our faculty, who are in teaching in different parts of the world to different audiences of the world, use the city as a classroom, use the different institutions existing around us as experiential laboratories for students to learn in the world that we are living in. And at the end of this experience, people feel that they have learned that they're capable of being adults for once they finish their degrees or their masters in the university.
I've learned so much, like just about different perspectives and like different like styles of life that you won't get, you know, in the United States. Like, and especially being able to travel a little bit while I'm here, it's definitely opened my eyes. So I've learned a lot about just different cultures, different ways of life, like, and kind of erase that idea that, you know, everything we do back home is like normal. You know, it's just a different way. I chose to do the academic year over a semester because in my eyes, I'd rather go for a year and wish I had gone for a semester than go for a semester and wish I had gone for a year. And I just thought that I wanted to like be able to like live in Barcelona and experience it. So I took a Spanish class first semester, learned a lot, and then it really improved once I moved into the homestay this semester. My host mom, she doesn't speak English, so it forces me to practice and use my Spanish. So I would say just in the past 3-4 months, my Spanish has improved more than it had, you know, like in all time leading up to that.
So I love Profe Julia, and she teaches my business of fashion class, and just hearing about how she started her brand, how she views the fashion industry after working in it for so long is truly inspiring, and yeah, it was really insightful. So I'm glad I took that class. One piece of advice I'd love to add is definitely take the time to travel in the country that you're studying in, because there's so many like small cities or towns that you can visit. A lot of cool things you'll learn just from like staying in your country too, because it is exciting to travel, don't get me wrong, but yeah, you may be missing out on some really cool stuff. So I would say if you're even like unsure about it, just apply. Definitely do it, like put yourself out of the box and see what you can learn.